President Muhammadu Buhari told the delegation comprising the Southeast governors that apart from the budget hold-up, there was also a delay in approving the borrowing plan until 3 weeks ago, but all the ministers and departments of government were under instruction to forge ahead. The governing APC, he said, must not find excuses for delaying the execution of projects critical to national development, saying when the roads are okay, the rails are established and there is power, Nigerians will flourish in their businesses. During the meeting, President Buhari responded to all the issues raised by the governors to their satisfaction. He spoke of government's serious interest in the new Port Harcourt-Maiduguri standard gauge railway, which traverses several states, including those in the southeast. The president directed ministers to follow up with the private sector on key projects in the region, including the southeast dry port and the geometric power plant in Aba, with a view to untangling the problems causing their delayed takeoff. Governor Dave Umahi of Ebonyi State, who spoke on behalf of the delegation, said the southeast cannot thank President Muhammadu Buhari enough for his genuine commitment to the development of the zone.
We came on behalf of Southeast to thank Mr. President for the award of the second Niger bridge, to Julius Berger in the sum of 206 billion naira. We also thank him for the Enyimba, Aba economic free zone, and we promised to come and commission it. The license has been given. He has assured us that he's going to look into the issues, and of course in the railway we're given also a cheering news that not only the railway be awarded as say, but it's going to touch all the state capitals in Southeast, and there will be also a port added to it, and it's going to cost about $12 billion.
Secretary to the government of the Federation, Bosgida Mustafa, described the engagement with the Southeast leaders as remarkable.
Oftentimes what you hear out there is that the government is not doing anything in the Southeast. But we had the topmost leadership of the Southeast come in to say, we thank you, Mr. President, for what you are doing. Everything in terms of the investment that has come into the Southeast substantially has come under the last 3.5 years of President Muhammadu Buhari's tenure. So it's a mark of appreciation, and I believe that correspondingly they are willing to cooperate with the government to ensure the development of their people and bring in prosperity, bring in peace and tranquility in the area, and every other thing that a good government is supposed to provide for the people.
Mr. Bose Mustafa confirmed that issues relating to the 2019 elections were not discussed at the meeting, but maintained that the quickest and easiest means to presidency by the Southeast is to support the re-election bid of President Muhammadu Buhari.
Whatever they do in 2019 would determine what would happen thereafter. Because politics is a game of numbers. And it's like a cooperative society. Whatever you bring as an investment, when dividends are going to be shared, you get proportionate to your investment. An investment in politics is the votes you bring to the table. And I urge the Saudis to look at this matter seriously, that every time we have a presidency in Nigeria, it's negotiated in several ways. Either negotiated by votes or what you bring to the table, and you must negotiate from the position of strength.
3 governors and 1 deputy governor from the Southeast Zone attended the meeting. From the State House, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.